took a poop.
There she is. Oh, perfect.
Hey! She's distracted by that thing.
Can I take it away from her?
Stop recording.
I'm not.
What you doing? Mellow.
Go take the thing away from her.
She has it in her mouth already.
She's biting the
Watch,
carpet.
just watch. She's too distracted by whatever the heck that is.
She's too distracted by the carpet. Guys, by the way, she was running around circles like 3 times. Was it 3 times?
Like crazy.
It was funny. She's putting her butt on it. What?
Oh, now you want to pay attention to me?
See how I do it? I do it.
Give me.
No, let me do it.
No, because then you're recording, so give me.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Little Coo caught it. You'll see. You'll see. You'll all see. Look at that. Where's
Alright, stop. She's distracted. Still looking for it.
Need an intro, guys. I really need an intro. Like doing the scissors. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. If you did, please leave a like. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. And we all will see you all next time. Goodbye. Say bye to YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.